Hot chocolate, the water. Some water?
Mr. Kenny, thank you.
Oh, go on by. Go on by. You can go on by.
Like a little snack or something?
Animal
Oh, thank you. You got it? Got animal crackers, got goldfish, you got
No, but I got enough.
pretzels. We got. Sorry, we don't have anything out here.
It's fine. I can take water.
Sure.
Thank y'all for all you do.
I'm going with that. The guy from the health department stopped and gave me some water a little while ago. Just sit on here. Water. We appreciate it. Of course. Can I have some cookies? Yeah, whatever you want, sir. Sure.
Calvin, do you know where you're going?
Oh, you have your
GPS. Right at 25, right? Yeah. Oh, that's what. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Hey, God bless you. Wow. That's always a nice thing to wake up to in the morning, walk out.
Well, we'd all had gone into the bathrooms, and the girls' bathrooms on this end down here, and they heard this big crash, and they come running out there. They said something's happened.
You had your own fireworks.
Yeah.
I'm sure there were some sparks here.
I was going to have that big Bradford pear tree get down, and I hadn't got around to it, and my neighbor says, good thing you hadn't cut it down, because it's helped save the house.
Yeah, we got to get here. And no coffee donut?
Invited all my friends over today for dinner. I got all my food, put my New Year's Day dinner in there.
All right.
Hey, you want a donut and coffee?
Well, donut would be great. We're not too much of a coffee drinker,
Oh.
but
So here she was given to the Salvation Army, and now she's receiving from
I
the Salvation
appreciate it so
Army.
much. This is great. You guys are. Can we take one for Brother and Daddy,
Yes,
please?
you can.
Hold one for Jaron.
Y'all want some coffee and donut?
Yes.
It turned cold overnight.
It's made for a little better sleep.
Were you there
62
when the
last
choir
night?
sang the other night?
26
No?
tonight.
That was a really difficult audience, you know.
Oh, it was all right though.
I mean, it's just it's an unchurched,
Sure,
you know.
sure.
But 112 people found Jesus that night.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, that's awesome. We had
Yes.
to leave.
700 people came.
That's great. Oh, that is awesome.
Did you get your pictures?
We came by. We didn't get it that night, and I came by the other day, and they were closed, so I'll have to come back.
We'll have more. We'll
Oh,
make sure
yeah.
Yeah.
It's not the coffee that they're here for.
you had time for breakfast this morning.
Captain,
Yes, sir.
tell me talk about her story.
Well, she is the choir director for Pearl High School, and just about a week and a half ago, her chorus sang at our community carol sing where we had 700 people came from our distribution the day before. 112 people found Jesus that night. Her choir sang at it, and here we are today, about 10 days later, at her house serving her because she was hit by the tornado here in Pearl. This is the Salvation Army at its best. You never know if you give when you might be the next one to receive. So this is how we do. This is how we roll.
There's a lady right there in the driveway. Right there.